Born today, 1943 in Kent, England. British singer, songwriter, record producer, probably the most inspirational frontman ever, performing for 6 decades. Sir Mick Jagger was supposed to follow in his father's footsteps, but he said he's just sang as a kid and just kept singing. He met Keith Richards in 1950, but it wasn't until 1961 that they ran into each other at a railway station, formed the Rolling Stones in 1962, performed together, and by 1965 had their first international hit. My favorite cover version of that is DEVO's. And Mick Jagger also did some solo work in the 80s.
Give me just another night, just another
6 decades, still performing today at 81.